Hi everyone, today I will show you how to fix Overwatch 2 voice chat not working on Xbox problem. Before moving on to the video, you can support me by liking the video and deliver this video to people who are looking for this video like you. Let's start. The solution consists of 3 steps. Our first step is to check the headset. We make sure we attach the headset to the Xbox gamepad correctly. Headphone jack or USB port may not be fully inserted. For our second step, we press the Xbox guide button and go to the bottom and click on the speaker icon. First, we make sure that the headset mic is turned on. Then we open mic monitoring to the very end. Now we move on to the third and most important step. For our third step, we open Overwatch first. After the game is opened, we press the Start button. Click on Options. From the top menu, we go to Sound by pressing the RB key. Then we come to Voice Chat by pressing the RT button. Here we are doing Group Voice Chat and Team Voice Chat Auto Join. We're making Match Voice Chat and Voice Chat nameplate icon on. You can adjust the voice chat mode at the bottom according to yourself. I make an open mic for comfort in the game. If you want, you can assign one of the D-pad keys as a push-to-talk key. After making these settings, we need to turn off Overwatch completely. For this, we press the Xbox guide button. We come to Overwatch, press the Start button and click Quit. Now we come to Profile and System section in the rightmost and click on the Xbox settings. Click on Volume and Audio Output in General. Click on Additional Options. You need to click on Party Chat Output and select Speaker or Headset and Speaker here. It will be better to choose the headset and speaker. Otherwise, no sound can be heard from the headphones. However, it should not be only the headset option. Yes, our steps are complete. Now it remains to enter the game and show that it is working. Yes, as you can see, I can talk to my friend in group voice chat and I can hear his voice. If you're new to the game, you may not be able to talk to your team right away. As far as I know, Overwatch keeps team voice chat disabled up to a certain level. This is how it was when I was playing on PC. We have come to the end of the video. I hope this video fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to like the video. You can also subscribe to my channel to support me. Take care, and see you in the next video.